The footwear manufacturing process involves a number of important steps. Design. Designers brainstorm ideas inspired by current fashion trends. Concepts are sketched and refined through discussions and feedbacks. Material selection. They select the material that matches the design's aesthetic, including leather, fabric, synthetic, and sole material. They also decide the color scheme during this process. Prototyping. They makes the first physical version of the shoes, bringing the designer's sketch to life. Prototype is to test comfort and durability. Designers and testers provide feedback on shoe performance that leads to further improvements. This step is critical for minimizing the risk and costly errors before the mass production. Stitching. This involves sewing the cut pieces together to form the structure of the shoes. Skilled workers handle the stitching using both hand sewing and stitching machine methods. Stitching not only holds the shoe together but also affects its appearance and strength. Assembling. Assembling involves the putting together the different cuts and stitched parts of the shoes. Working attach the upper parts of the shoes to the sole. They use glue, nail, or stitching depending upon the shoe type. Molding. Molding gives the shoe its final form. This involves placing the assembled shoe onto the mold that mimic the shape of the foot. They heat the material to soften and make it more malleable. Finishing. It involves the final trimming, polishing, and adding decorative elements like buckles and laces.